Hey, get the dog!
Is anybody inside? Everyone's outside. We might have a pet inside.
I've never seen this happen before. I've lived here for Is everybody out? I've lived here a long time and I've never witnessed anything like this. Been here 10 years. I don't know them that well, but I think she said that one of the dogs were in there.
Did they get the dog out yet?
No, the Jeep's mine. Hey, whose car is that? She said, did the other dog get out? No? Yeah. I mean, another one?
Yeah. It just came through. This one came out and then the Coke Drive came out. Jay, watch yourself. There's more stuff coming. My Wi-Fi.
I heard somebody tapping on the window, but I was like, what?
160 Coke Drive.
That was today?
It just came through. 613, 625, 624.
Huh.
Can everybody stand on the sidewalk? There's more.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable. I think they put the flames out already?
They knocked it out.
I'm only doing this because I've lived here for a long time.
I know what it is.
Huh?
I know what it is.
Hopefully they get to the dog before.
Yeah.
Do they have a dog?
Yeah, they said that one of the dogs were in there. Did they get it out?
It might be around back. It might not be.
'Cause I've seen videos where dogs get stuck in there and they get scared and they choke. They actually get in there and they have to like CPR the dog, whatever. To, they're gonna have to probably rebuild the roof and everything, because as soon as that stuff goes down through the ceiling, they're pretty much gutting the house and redoing it.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's a total loss.
See, one thing I noticed is they never test. I've never seen them test the fire hydrants around here. Like they'll actually crack them open.
Yeah, they do.
Like the one right by my house, which is where the Jeep is.
Yeah, they come from an actual part of not the fire department, but the public works.
I was trying to tell the kid, he was trying to get the fire, like the water hose. I said, that's not going to do you any good because I'm saying when the fire gets really hot, what happens is that water pretty much vaporizes and doesn't really do anything to the fire. You would have to do what you call it's like that foam.
I have a question. Do you know how it started?
No, I was just over at my car and then I looked over and I seen smoke and I was like, oh my gosh.
So you're the one that called it, right?
I didn't call it, they called it, and then my roommate, he called it. And then I went around, I looked, and the whole back side of the house was engulfed. And then when I seen the smoke coming out of the attic, I knew it was in the roof. John, here. You said John? That's actually my name.